Welcome to Design Creators. A sub to the channel would be appreciated. Press that bell icon to receive video updates. Place the transparent heart image on your document. It needs to be placed underneath your image. Resize your image until it is suitable for you. I will enable the default background layer. Duplicate your image by pressing Ctrl J and select the bottom image. Go to Filter and select Liquify. Select the forward wrap tool. Under View Options, enable Show Backdrop and set the rest of the settings just like my one. Press Restore All to reset your editings if you make any mistakes, and disable Preview to see the original image while editing. This is the most important part of this editing. Reduce the size of the wrap tool by pressing the left square bracket key and the right square bracket key to increase its size. For now, reduce it and drag drop the edges of the body just like how I am doing right now. Drag drop the edges following the shape of the heart. Once you have pulled all the edges of the body, now you can increase the size of the wrap tool and click drag the edges that you have already pulled easily. I will fast forward the video now because it's very time consuming. Take your time, and if you make a mistake, press Ctrl Z to go one step backwards, or press Restore All button to go back to where you started. Once you are done, press OK. Select the layer and hover your mouse over the heart shape and press Ctrl. After the heart shape got selected, we need to inverse its selection. Now you can press the delete button to delete the unwanted areas around the heart shape. Press Ctrl D to deselect the selection and select the top layer. Once again, repeat the same process. But this time, without pressing delete, you have to get the eraser tool and erase the unwanted parts of the image. There is no contrast between the background and the models. To solve this, let's add a drop shadow to the models layer. Please adjust these settings until there is a visible drop shadow. Finally, right-click on the top layer and select Rasterize Layer Style so we can erase the drop shadows which are unwanted. Watch more from my channel by clicking on any of these videos.